So friends, please subscribe so that I can do more videos for you.
Hi, I'm Prash from Scotland with origins.
Amr from Egypt.
Hi, my name is Wen Jane. I'm from Wuhan.
Hi, I'm Michelle from Romania and I'm happy to be here with you for the first time in Oman.
I'm Badr Al Abri. I'm from Oman.
Hello, my friends. My name is Galib from Oman. I just preparing the salad.
Hi, my name is Khurram. I'm from Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh, India.
Hi, I'm Ebi from India, from Kerala. My wife, Sheena, also same from Kerala.
Okay, we have chef here. Wow. Oh my God.
What am I supposed to? Sorry, I forgot. What did you
You
say?
can just say your name and then say hi.
What a great.
Hey Vinod, how are you?
Look here. It's like nothing to him.
People like it.
Okay.
You are great, thank you. God bless you.
Do this camp with best friend. Okay.
Okay, again. Now it was practice. Habibi was the practice.